Mike Gish with MarineMax, Maryland. Today I'm on the 2018 Azimut 40 Verve. This boat is the ultimate day boat. Power on the back, triple Mercury 350 Verados, very smooth, quiet, reliable, with a good fuel burn. You can see very nice option on this one. Side fold down teak deck. Kind of gives you that extra swim platform that you're not going to get from a lot of outboard powered boats. Really changes your swim deck from the back to the side. Also makes for a great entry when the boat is down in that dock. As we move into the cockpit, as you can see, very large cockpit seating area. It's also very versatile. This seat does slide forward to make a full U-shaped seat around the very large cockpit table. Grill station with a refrigerator. Little wet bar area with an ice maker. Again, all about the ultimate day boat. We also have nice enclosed hardtop with the retractable sunshade off the aft. Gets you out of the shade if the sun has just been too much for you that day. As we move forward to the helm, triple helm seat, full electronics package here, bow thruster as well as joystick docking. So with Mercury's joystick docking system, you're going to get skyhook automatically, and you're also going to get the autopilot. You do have the larger vessel view screen as well to show you the performance of the motors. Another added bonus, SeaKeeper. If you haven't had that, game changer in terms of how the boat handles in rougher conditions. Moving down below, we have a nice spacious cockpit cabin. Excuse me. Lots of headroom in here. Fully enclosed, separate forward V-berth, full island size bed. Easy to get around, certainly could use for a long weekend. Very easy. You also have a nice little seating area in the salon. Table does drop down and fills in. You also have a completely separate enclosed head. Again, the ultimate day boat that you can spend the weekend on very comfortably. We wouldn't have a modern day boat if we didn't have a nice bow seating area. So we take the nice wide walkway, easy to get up here. Big Sunpad, and again, seating area to kind of sit, relax, and hang out. You'll see nice integrated cup holders, grab rails, really everything you need, including the stereo system up here. Full teak cockpit all throughout, just adds that little bit of extra Azimut class to it. Mike Gish with MarineMax, Maryland, 2018 Azimut 40 Verve, really in a class by itself.